This shit show you that they finna update this bitch. And all them videos on that shit. Want that bitch. Check my connection first. You gonna say my shit good. And it's they fault. See that? Your network is good. There's a problem on our side. Fantastic. Multiplayer connection. Same thing. And this bitch. Wait till that bitch come on. I'm just trying to fuck my video up, bro. Gonna go slow now. Fred go fast, and I'm gonna go slow. Fuck you. There she go. Your network good, they fault. You go to everybody.com/stat and gonna show your ass what's up. And they finna update some shit. You just gotta be patient on the video and that shit. If you want some good ass internet, you want that bitch fucking up. You gotta have this shit wired to your router. Yeah, everybody one. Just got this bitch probably about a day ago, probably 2 days ago. That bitch playing, that bitch started fucking up on Christmas, bro. As soon as I started playing my Assassin's Creed, got that shit free. Start messing up.